I'm on a mission to up my pen game, and these are two of my favorite pens that I use a lot. This is my Parker Jotter, which I use. It's a ballpoint, which I use for work. This is my Kaweco Sport that I use at home and for writing my journal. So I want to sort of have something that combines the two. I want something that's not plastic and that is something that I can use forever and enjoy, so I don't mind spending a little bit more money on it. I'm going to be trying out 3 pens, and I'll do the unboxing and show you each of them as I get them, and then when I've finished I'll do a comparison of the 3 and how they compare to these 2. So hopefully you'll find that useful. So I'm looking for an EDC use all the time pen, and ideally I'm looking for something that writes nicely and that I can use proper ink with. So either ink, just normal ink, or in cartridges. So this is the Kaweco Liliput. So it comes in this nice tin. I think they just have one tin to cover everything. There are some user instructions which I'm probably not going to look at. Now I have already got this out and put the refill in. It uses the standard Kaweco refill, so if you've got another Kaweco, these all fit, which is great, but loving the tin. So this is the Lilliput, and it's tiny, and compared to my Parker it's even smaller, and compared to the other Kaweco, the Kaweco Sport, it's smaller and slimmer. So is it any good to write with those? So let's just get this out. Now this is made of aluminium, and which I quite like about it, and it's a decent size when opened out, and it takes a small cartridge. It came with one. I think that was blue, so I didn't use it. This one has, I believe it's a fine nib. Let's see if we can put that in front of the camera. So nice looking nib, and when it's opened out, it's a decent size. So it's similar to the Parker. Being aluminium, it's very light, but it has a substantial feel about it. Let's just see how it writes, shall we? Now my writing isn't that great, but hopefully readable. Really like the feel of it. You don't get too much ink coming out, and I'm really liking how this goes together. So super compact, super light. Now I'll do the proper comparison when I get the other pens. This was just a quick look. First look of this Kaweco Lilliput. Yeah, I'm pretty impressed. Hope you found this interesting. I will be doing more of a comparison later where I'll go through the specs and I'll compare it with the other pens that I've got. So let me know in the comments, have you got one of these, and what do you think of it? Why don't you watch this video on EDC pens or this playlist on pens and notebooks? Hope you found this useful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.